Hey guys, Google Pixel 2 and a Pixel 2 XL was amazing devices of 2017. Even in 2018, it performed well, but now it seems like that Google is gearing up to launch its next generation Google Pixel 3 and a Pixel 3 XL. As the developers in Google's headquarters seem quite busy working on new features of Android P, some of them have recently teased about what will become of the design of Pixel 3. Few images revealed by /leaks of Android P beta show that Google Pixel 3 will be a fully screen smartphone with no notch, probably the best bezel-less solution we will see this year. But as you can see on the render, here is no space for the cameras and other sensors. So I'm a little bit confused about this design, but don't worry, the main man evleaks already hinted us that he will reveal the Google Pixel 3 and a Pixel 3 XL in the upcoming months and maybe in the upcoming weeks. So yeah, make sure to subscribe for that. He also said in his tweet that Google will be launch a new smartwatch under Pixel branding, which will be run on Wear OS. So yeah, that's all about the Google Pixel 3 and a Pixel 3 XL. Now let me know what you guys think about this design, and make sure to subscribe for the upcoming Google Pixel 3 and a Pixel 3 XL videos and some other mobile phone leaks. And please hit the like button if you enjoyed to saw this video. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. See you soon.